The Subaru 360 was the first mass-produced automobile by Subaru, a division of Fuji Heavy Industries, and a landmark in Japan's post-war motorization. Produced between 1958 and 1971, it was designed to comply with the K-car regulations, which limited size and engine displacement to promote small, efficient, and affordable cars for the Japanese population. The 360 took its name from its 356 cubic centimeters two-stroke, air-cooled, inline twin engine mounted transversely in the rear. At launch, it produced 16 horsepower, later upgraded to 25 horsepower, with a high-performance 36 horsepower twin-carbureted version offered in the Young SS Sports model. Weighing under 450 kilograms, approximately 992 pounds, the 360 featured monocoque construction, a fiberglass roof panel, and rear-hinged suicide doors. Early models required oil to be premixed with gasoline, but in 1964 Subaru introduced the Subaru-matic system, which automatically mixed oil and fuel. The car's 3-speed manual gearbox was later replaced by a 4-speed with an optional auto-clutch transmission that eliminated the need for a clutch pedal. Despite modest power, the 360 could reach 100 kilometers per hour, approximately 62 miles per hour, and its efficiency and compact size suited Japanese cities with narrow streets and short commuting distances. Variants included the two-door sedan, K111, the custom station wagon, K142, a convertible with a rollback roof, and the Young S and Young SS Sport models. From 1961, the flat-nosed Sam truck and van used the same engine and layout, proving popular with small businesses. An export version, the Subaru 450, increased displacement to 423 cubic centimeters for markets such as Australia. In 1968, entrepreneur Malcolm Bricklin imported the 360 to the United States, marketing it as cheap and ugly. Around 10,000 were sold at a price of $1,297. However, in 1969, Consumer Reports declared the car not acceptable, citing poor crash safety and weak performance. Sales collapsed, and unsold cars languished on lots or were scrapped. Despite this setback, Subaru established itself in the United States, later gaining recognition with robust all-wheel drive vehicles. The 360 was replaced by the Subaru R2 in 1971, followed by the long-lived Rex. Today, the Subaru 360 holds historical significance as Japan's ladybug car, a symbol of the country's recovery and industrial growth, and remains a sought-after collector's item that reflects the ingenuity and challenges of early K cars.